Hi guys, welcome to Digit. Today we're going to be unboxing the Edict EEP01 in-ear wired headphone. The device itself is pretty lightweight and compact. It comes with an aerodynamic design and a multifunction control available through the inline mic. It also offers access to voice assistant control on your devices. The 10 mm drivers provide powerful bass and a 3.5 mm gold-plated jack in a lightweight design. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Inside the box, you have the warranty from the manufacturer, Edict, and that's it. The device itself comes along with additional ear tips for customization as per your comfort requirements. The device, as you can see, is this lightweight design over here with the in-ear ear tips over here. You have the inline control with a mic and a multifunction button and the 3.5 mm jack at the end. And there you have it, the Edict EEP01 wired headphone with mic. Thank you for watching.